5 hours.
5 hours?
5 hours.
5.5 hours?
6 hours.
6 hours.
6 hours.
6?
6 hours.
That's 6.
7?
7.
8 hours.
9 hours.
11 hours.
Not enough.
No.
Yes.
No.
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 None.
No.
Probably not.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Should be.
Yeah. Yeah.
There is no doubt our lives are getting busier, but more hours of the day means less hours of sleep. Millennials are constantly racing against each other to do, to see, to be more. And in that process, sacrificing one of our most basic necessities to live a healthy life. When it becomes routine, it can cause anxiety, moodiness, forgetfulness, distractibility, stress, and higher risk of injury. In the long term, it weakens your immune system, can increase blood pressure, and depression. These effects can add up to slowly tear apart every single aspect of your life. How does sleep deprivation happen? Sleep is more than just closing your eyes and waking up refreshed. The REM cycle is the natural order of sleep, in which your mind tides back and forth between stages 1 to 4 to cycle back to stage 5, the lightest stage of sleep, called REM. REM sleep makes up only 20% of your night's rest, but it is the vital phase that regenerates your body and stores your memories of the day. The longer the sleep, the faster the waves return to the shore, repairing your body faster. When you are sleep deprived, the gentle waves become a riptide that immediately drags you into REM sleep to prioritize repairing and storing as much information as possible over letting your body properly rest. At night, the blue light in your screens tell your brain it's daytime and keeps your body awake. Your body's biological clock, called the circadian rhythm, is influenced by the amount of blue light your eyes are exposed to. The daylight wakes you up, and the darkness of night makes you feel tired. First step to finding your way back to sleep is to lessen the amount of screens you use at night. The blue light in artificial lighting boosts your attention and mood, which is the opposite of what you want before bed. Reducing your caffeine intake, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, meditating to manage thoughts, and applying a regular sleep schedule will help you find your way back to a proper night's rest. 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Close your eyes, take away the lights, and immerse yourself in darkness. Tomorrow is inevitable, but the way you experience tomorrow can be changed.